Hey everyone, it's Jennifer, and I'm making a quick video to show you how to use the Reindeer Fun dies, Reindeer Fun from Stampin' Up, of course, and we're going to use these three dies right here to make a Pokemon. Okay, so here are the here's a sampling of what the dies do, and you take these three dies right here and they make the cutest reindeer ever. You don't have to do anything except cut them and glue them together. So we're going to use two of the dies, these first two, to make a little Pikachu. Okay, so what I have cut is one, these are Stampin' Up! Colors Crushed Curry, and one basic black in that little face piece, and then one basic black in the one with the antlers. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have some scissors and adhesive and coloring tools. Gosh, this camera's so little. And get started making it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my little silicone craft sheet here to keep adhesive off my table. Love it. And actually, before I glue, I want to cut off these antlers because we're not going to have a Pokemon or a Pikachu with antlers at this time. So I'm just going to use this first one here as a guide, and I'm just going to cut these off by hand, hopefully low enough that it won't show in the front, but you can fix it if you mess up. And snip that off. Okay, just check and see if you snipped off enough that it's not going to show in the front when you glue those together. This looks good to me. This gives the black in the face there. And then this piece here is for the dark on the ears. So what I'm going to do is cut off what I want to use, which is the top corner of the ear here. Okay, I'm going to cut off a good little portion of this ear. The black to attach right there. Oh, ignore that. That was a typo. Okay, let me fold this over and have an example here to do the next one. Okay, so there's that black part, so that came off here. You could save this for a template for later if you wanted, for a second one or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna stick this together real quick. Adhesive, obviously. Again, it doesn't matter that this looks all messed up because it's gonna get covered up. We just want the black to show through on the front. Like that. Then our little fingernail looking ear pieces. By the way, feel free to leave a comment here on the video if you like this, if you dislike this, if you just want to be nice. Feel free. Okay, so adding my little dark part on the ears. Super cute. And now to finish this off, I'm going to do some drawing, sort of. Okay, and this is not my strong suit. I have a white gel pen, this is random. Actually, this is in my Amazon store, but white gel pen. I'm just going right next to those yellow bump outs, sort of. It's like poked out right there, which makes the eyes white on the reindeer. But anyway, I just put some white there. Then I'm going to draw the mouth. I'm going to attempt to draw the mouth like the Pokemon mouth. I know the nose is bigger. Pikachu. This is just an old Stampin' Up, we don't sell that anymore, but you can use a black Sharpie, like a fine point Sharpie. Okay, my Real Red Stampin' Blend alcohol marker brush tip. Not the brush tip. Fine point, and Pikachu has sort of like oval shaped cheeks, so let's see if I can do this. Real red, dark, there we go. There is Pikachu. Here's the one I did without pressure of a video. Let me know what you think. As a reminder, here's the reindeer that this die makes. See how the white of the eyes is just there from the dies? But we didn't use that part, so I had to draw the white. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think.